हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ अजय सिंह सोलंकी, फैकल्टी रेजोनेंस पीसीसीपी डिवीजन। आज हम अपना चैप्टर का सेकंड पार्ट कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं और शुरुआत करेंगे हम अपना टॉपिक पेंटिंग से। हम एक चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं अपना बिल्डिंग वाला और उसके अंदर जो हमारा आखिरी टॉपिक बच रहा है वो है पेंटिंग। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। पेंटिंग। अजंता इज अ प्लेस वेयर several caves were hollowed out of the hills over century. Most of these were monasteries for Buddhist monk and some of them were decorated with painting. तो आपका यहाँ पे एक इमेज भी दे रखी है आपको. Here are some examples as the caves are dark inside. Most of the painting were done in the light of torches. देखिए कितने इंटरेस्टिंग बात बता रखी है. The colors which are vivid even after 1500 years were made of plants and minerals. तो कलर कहाँ से बनाए गए थे? प्लांट से और मिनरल से. The artist who created this splendid work of art remain unknown. The world of books. Some of the best known epics were written during this period. Epics are grand, long compositions about heroic men and women and include stories about gods. तो आपसे पूछ सकते हैं what are epics? क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. A famous Tamil epic, the Silapakka Dikaram, was composed by a poet named Elango around 1800 years ago. तो ये भी आपके लिए सवाल बन सकता है. It is the story of a merchant named Kovalan who lived in poor and fell in love with courtesan named Madhvi, neglecting his wife Kannagi. Later, he and Kannagi left Puhar and went to Madurai, where he was wrongly accused of theft by the court jeweler of the Pandya king. The king sentenced Kovalan to death. Kannagi, who still loved him, was full of grief and anger at this injustice and destroyed the entire city of Madurai. तो यहाँ पर एक आपको स्टोरी दे रखी है. A description from the Silapakka Dikaram. Here is how the poet describes Kannagi grief. Oh, witness of my grief, you cannot console me. Is it right that your body, fairer than pure gold, lies unwashed here in the dust? It is just that in the red glow of the twilight, your handsome chest, framed with a flower wreath, lies thrown down on the bare earth, while I remain alone, helpless and abandoned to despair. तो यहाँ पर तो उन्होंने ब्यूटी के बारे में बताया गया, अलग अलग तरीके से पर्सोनिफाई किया है और बताया गया कि मैं यहाँ पर बिल्कुल हेल्पलेस हूँ. Is there no God? Is there no God in this country? Can there be a good in a land where the sword of the king is used for the murder of innocent strangers? Is there no God? Another Tamil epic, the Mani Me Kallai, was composed by Sattanar around 1400 years ago. This describes the story of the daughter of Kovalan and Madhvi. These beautiful compositions were lost to scholars for many centuries till their manuscripts were rediscovered about 100 years ago. A verse from Meghdoot. Here is a verse from Kalidas' best known poem, the Meghdoot. सवाल आ सकता है किसने लिखी थी ये? In which a monsoon cloud is imagined to be a messenger between lovers who are separated from one another. अब आपका क्लाउड कैसे एक मैसेंजर का काम कर रहा है? अब कवि है, कवि कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अपने इमेजिनेशन से. आपका कई तरीके की वो कविताएं लिख सकते हैं. See how the poet describes the breeze that will carry the cloud northwards. A cool breeze, delightful as it is touched with the fragrance of the earth, swollen by your showers, inhaled deeply by elephants and causing the wild figs to ripen, will blow gently as you go. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपका पोएटिक वर्जन दे रखा है जिसके अंदर बता रखा है कैसे क्लाउड्स एक मैसेंजर का काम कर रहे हैं, कैसे एक जने की फीलिंग दूसरे तक पहुंचाने का काम कर रहे हैं. Recording and preserving old stories. A number of Hindu religious stories that were in circulation earlier were written down around the same time. These included the Purans. Puran literally mean old. Important है. The Puran contains stories about gods and goddesses such as Vishnu, Shiva, Durga or Parvati. They also contain details on how they were to be worshipped. Besides, there are accounts about the creation of the world and about the kings. The Puran were written in simple Sanskrit. ये आपके लिए important है and were meant to be heard by everybody, including women and Shudra who were not allowed to study the Ved. वर्ण सिस्टम चलता था हमारे यहाँ पे, ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र, they were probably recited in temples by priests and people came to listen to them. अब पुराण की बात की गई है यहाँ पे, अलग अलग पुराण, आप अगर हिंदू मैथोलॉजी के अंदर जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे पुराण कई तरीके के, शिव पुराण हो गया आपका. Two Sanskrit epics, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, had been popular for a very long time. Some of you may be familiar with these stories. आपका जब लॉकडाउन लगा था तब हमने महाभारत और रामायण देखी थी, टेलीविजन पे आई थी, मैंने तो देखी थी, क्या आपने देखी थी? क्या आप उसको कुछ वहां से मेमोरी स्टोरीज रिकलेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं? द महाभारत इज अबाउट अ वॉर फॉट बिटवीन द कौरव एंड पांडव हु वर कजिन्स. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, व्हाट वाज महाभारत ऑल अबाउट? This was a war to gain control of the throne of the Kurus and their capital Hastinapur. The story itself was an old one, but was written down in the form in which we know it today. About 1500 years ago, both the Puran and the Mahabharata are supposed to have been compiled by Ved Vyas. किन्होंने करा था? वेद व्यास ने. The Bhagavad Gita, about which you learnt in chapter 10, was also included in the Mahabharata. तो ये आपका important है, क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. The Ramayana is about Ram, a prince of Koshalya, who was sent into exile. Exile मतलब देश से पार कर दिया. His wife Sita was abducted by the king of Lanka named Ravan, and Ram had to fight the battle to get her back. अगर हमने वो देख रखा रामायण पूरा या थोड़ा बहुत भी, तो हमें इससे हम कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. He won and returned to Ayodhya, the capital of Kosala, after his victory. Like this Mahabharata, there was an old story that was now written down. Valmiki is recognized as the author of Sanskrit Ramayana. Another important question, संस्कृत रामायण किसने लिखी थी? वाल्मीकि जी ने. There are several versions of Mahabharata and the Ramayana popular among the people in different parts of the subcontinent. Stories told by ordinary people. Ordinary people also told stories, composed poems and songs, sang, danced and performed play. Some of these are preserved in collection of stories such as Jatakas and the Panchatantra, which were written down around this time. Stories from the Jatak were often shown on the railings of stupas and paintings such as Ajanta. Now, the story of Monkey King. Once upon a time, there was a great monkey king who lived on the bank of Ganga in the Himalaya with 80,000 followers. They fed on the fruit of a special mango tree which were very sweet. Such exquisite mango did not grow on the plains. One day, a ripe mango fell into the river and floated all the way to Varanasi. There, the king of the city who was bathing in the river found it and was amazed when he tasted it. He asked the forester of the kingdom whether they could find the tree for him, and they led him all the way to the Himalaya. There the king and his courtiers had their fill of mangoes. At night the king discovered that the monkeys were also feasting on the fruit and decided to kill them. तो monkeys भी खा रहे हैं और राजा भी खा रहा है. क्या खा रहे हैं? मैंगो. मैंगो कब खाते हैं? गर्मियों में. पसंद है क्या आपको मैंगोस? किस किस को पसंद है? However, the king of the monkeys worked out a plan to save his followers. He broke off branches of the mango tree and tied them to form a bridge across the river and held on to one end till all his followers crossed over. Exhausted with the effort, he fell down and lay dying. The human king saw what had happened and tried unsuccessfully to revive the monkey when he died. The king mourned his death and paid him full respect. Can you identify which part of the story are shown in the sculpture? हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. नाउ हमारे को लिटरेचर के बारे में यहाँ पे बता रखा है. रिलीजियस लिटरेचर, सेक्युलर एंड तमिल, तीनों के बारे में आपको यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से टेबुलर फॉर्म में बता रखा है. ठीक है. Mahabharata is the longest single poem in the world literature written by Rishi Ved Vyas. It contains about 1 lakh verses. The main story is of the war between Pandav and Kauravas. Writing books and science. This was also the time when Aryabhat a mathematician and astronomer, wrote a book in Sanskrit known as Aryabhatyam. He started that day and night were caused by the rotation of the earth on its axis. आप पढ़ते भी हो SST के अंदर आएगा rotation revolution. Even though it seems as if the sun is rising and setting every day, he developed a scientific explanation for eclipse as well. He found a way of calculating their circumference. अब ये क्या होता है, आपको मैथ्स में आपने पढ़ लिया होगा, of a circle which is nearly accurate as the formula we use today. Now 0. While numerals had been used earlier, mathematicians in India now invented a special symbol for 0. This system of counting was adapted by the Arabs and then spread to the Europe. It continues to be in use throughout the world. तो 0 दिया मेरे भारत ने, एक सॉन्ग भी आया था ना पुराना मनोज कुमार का. The Romans used a system of counting without using 0. Try and find more about it. तो इसको आप गूगल से सर्च कर सकते हैं. Elsewhere, paper has become a part of our daily life. The books we read are printed on paper and we use paper for writing. आप जो मॉड्यूल्स पढ़ते हैं, आप जो NCERT पढ़ते हैं, उसमें भी तो पेपर होता है. पेपर वॉज इन्वेंटेड इन चाइना अबाउट 1900 years ago. आप जब क्लास 10th में आओगे ना तो वहां पर एक पूरा चैप्टर दे रखा है प्रिंट कल्चर. वहां पे हम चाइना, जापान, कोरिया, कैसे प्रिंट कल्चर डेवलप होता है, बहुत सारा पढ़ेंगे उस चैप्टर में. चाइना, paper was invented in China about 1900 years ago by a man named Sai Lun. He beat plant fibers, cloth, rope and the bark of trees, soaked this in water and then pressed, drained and dried the pulp to create the paper. ऐसे बनता था पहले पेपर. Even today, handmade paper is made through a similar process. The technique of making paper was a closely guarded secret for centuries. It reached Korea about 1400 years ago and spread to Japan soon after. तो मैंने बताया China, Japan, Korea. It was known in Baghdad about 1800 years ago. From Baghdad, it spread to Europe, America and other parts of Asia. चलिए यहाँ पे आपका कुछ क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं जो आपको खुद सॉल्व करने हैं. यहाँ पर हमारा चैप्टर ओवर होता है. थैंक यू.